If you love the great outdoors but need a little extra mobility support, this video is for you. Today I'm counting down my top 3 mobility scooters that are perfect for RV enthusiasts, campers, and anyone who loves exploring campgrounds in comfort and confidence. First up is the Baja Bandit. This compact outdoor scooter is a beast for its size. It's built tough, yet it's small enough to easily fit inside most RVs or tow on a lift. With a top speed of 8 miles per hour and a range of up to 29 miles with the upgradable batteries, it's ideal for all-day campground cruising or off-road trails. Why it's great for campers: a tight turning radius for maneuvering around campsites, a 4.5-inch ground clearance for uneven terrain, portable enough to stow away during travel, an ultra-comfy captain's seat for long rides. Whether you're heading to the lake or navigating a gravel trail, the Baja Bandit delivers performance without taking up too much space. Next is the Baja Wrangler 2. Think of this as the Jeep of mobility scooters. With rugged 14.5-inch tires, full suspension, and a 450-pound weight capacity, this scooter is made for serious outdoor adventures. Here's why it's great for RVers. Off-road capability with 7-inch ground clearance, 11.4 mile per hour top speed, one of the fastest on the market. Dual mirrors, LED lighting, and turn signals for safety. If you need something that can handle mud, gravel, and hills without flinching, the Wrangler 2 is your go-to. Just make sure you've got a way to transport it. It's a bit bigger, but absolutely worth it. And rounding out our list is the Golden Technologies Eagle. This all-terrain scooter was designed with outdoor independence in mind. It's powerful, stylish, and incredibly stable, even on uneven ground. Here's why campers love it: a 500-pound weight capacity for larger users or extra gear, suspension and heavy-duty tires for rough terrain, LED headlight and rear lights for visibility at night. One of the smoothest rides in its class. The Eagle is perfect for campers who don't want to compromise comfort for adventure. Plus, Golden Technologies is known for durability and support. So there you have it, 3 incredible scooters that let you explore the outdoors with freedom and ease. Whether you're parked at an RV resort or camping deep in the woods, the Baja Bandit, Baja Wrangler 2, and Golden Eagle have you covered. Make sure to check dimensions and transport options to see which model best fits your RV setup. And if you have any questions, we're always here to help.